ahead and let her do it. She'll do it. You got that. You don't have to even start it. She finds them.
Oh, did Mommy have it? Give me another one. Come on. Oh, thank you. Oh, he want it. Here.
Teleport to me. I stopped till I die.
Oh.
When you get why?
Maybe rotate this end out. Come here, Danny. Danny. You try to sit her in her seat.
It's for you.
Okay, so pick up my stuff. There's one right next to me.
Thank
There's
you.
stuff I dropped. It's over there.
There you go. Good girl. Thank you. Mama.
You get some more, hon?
Here, look.
Did you die?
You want to take it apart?
She's got that playing on the couch. She likes that thing.
Okay, if you die,
It's your size.
if you die, don't instantly press A. Wait till I teleport to you. And then
She knows it opens up too.
Yeah.
Mommy opening her present. Danny, quick! Mommy's opening her present.
Before you go right over the back. Come on.
yeah.
Quick! Danny, Mommy's opening your present.
I died. It's
Shake
only
it.
shotgun ammo in my inventory, so
Oh, you fell right off the couch. I've seen your dad do that before.
Weird, it's Eddie. She can get it in there.
this way.
You're gonna open it all. You keep on going a little more, a little
Okay,
more.
let's go this way.
He doesn't care. Come here.
Danny,
Hey, look. What
No,
paper?
it's this way. Here we go. See if we...
what's in there?
Oh my god, I found an alien area. I found an alien area.
It's a toy.
Oh, there's fire gun. Kill fire gun.
Toy. Oh, I got paper and I'm going to break my teeth out on that couch. Give me sugar.
I gotta finish ripping this paper to shred.
Sugar bag.
They're not small enough pieces yet.
Ooh, look. Boo-boo. Hey. Oh, there's multiples of each.
Just put the toys over here with my wrapping paper.
Look how cool.
Where's
Hey,
this?
yes. It's not confetti paper, it's wrapping paper.
Where is it? Where's the stuff? Where's the stuff? Where's the stuff? Did you get the stuff?
Look. Oh. So what's my wondering eyes do appear?
Yes. Yeah. I know. Okay, yeah, look. Boom, boom, boom. No, you keep hold of it. Keep it in your...
Oh.
Don't put them all the way in.
Danny. You taste
I
them?
think the alien area is back
Are
up
they
here.
yummy?
You got the triangle. Triangle goes in here.
Wait, where's the alien
That's a circle. The circle goes in here.
area?
Danny, circle's in
Where are the
here.
aliens?
See, I got a circle too. That goes in here.
Ow.
Got
This
it.
can drop that.
Oh!
Put it there. Almost.
Except I didn't look at it. Maybe she went.
Almost.
I just shot like 2 holes. Diamond! He dropped the diamond.
That's the right hole. Now let go.
Oh, we need the diamonds.
Let go, and you got it.
Kill these things.
Almost.
Yeah, kill these
She's all, oh, it goes in there.
things. Why'd you leave?
Star goes in here.
How'd you get kicked out? Oh, I got chased by an alien.
And that one goes in here. Yeah, the circle and the circle hole.
I think 48 bloodstones. No.
Triangle and this triangle hole. Do we need to choose from?
Oh my. Yeah, I can, but you have to keep me covered. Wait, if you break that stuff, more aliens spawn. They hate it when you break that stuff. Oh.
She's got a whole layer in there. You're gonna be like the monkey who couldn't get his hand down after he got a whole way he wanted.
Yeah. This is how you make ammo for the space guns. Okay, I have an idea. Why don't we go to Orland? Because in Orland, okay, you know what's in Orland? There's like a bunch of alien things in Orland, and there's like diamonds on the surface.
You do. You win. The circle in the hole. Try
Yeah, I'll get your stuff.
Hmm.
I'll get your stuff. Okay, do you know how to teleport?
Well, the triangle goes over here.
this one goes.
Triangle over here.
Jesus.
They all go in there. Let me teach you.
It's a circle.
No alien, I do not want to get. I don't want your help.
Yeah, you know where that one goes.
Yummy.
You gonna hold that one in your mouth while you get another one? That's right. You got it. Oh yay! You got it in the hole.
Good job.
Do you want me to turn enemies off?
Did it. You have a hard time getting them all at once. She trying to grab more than one.
I know, the aliens are really strong. The aliens are really strong. Yeah.
You have trouble with more than one at a time.
I think the blood dragon's the strongest in the game. The blood dragon, yeah, the blood dragons.
It's easier to put in one without the lid on, huh?
Yeah, definitely. You die.
We boomed it.
Did what?
She boomed it over, knocked it all down. Boom.
Sound like you said burned.
Honestly,
Did Danny win from Dad?